You can explain.
You gotta eat the full spoon. Cinnamon.
Alright. I just watched on the computer all this people puke. So I'm gonna puke. Maybe not.
You might want to take your hat off first. Yeah, that works.
Oh, this will be hot.
You can do it, Tim.
Yeah.
I get some water now.
No, you gotta swallow it all first.
Yes.
Just swallow it. Don't be a pussy about it.
It's almost gone.
Is it gone? Open your mouth.
Yeah.
There's cinnamon all over your tongue.